Yeah. Welcome to the magical world of Photoshop. Make I show you how to create this artwork with the pop. First, we pick up a pen to draw the path, then we gon' make a selection to get a craft. Mask it, now move the image to the side. Bring the other image, put it right on top. Once again, just like we did before, we go surgical with the pen tool. You know what's up, see for so long I slept on this pen tool. It got my potential for image selection. It gives clean cut like a blade too. Sometimes I use it to write and draw like a pencil. Now that we got that out of the way, let's create a new background with color we go slay. With the brush we create shadow like a base. This reflection gives more depth in the space. Back to the first image with duplicator, mask the body out, and now it's looking great. And if you're still with me, that means you know the hit. Just hit the like and let's go to the next phase. Yo, you see this stunt how they try to. Now pixel stretch be the title. This part got me stressed and so confused, cause I'm trying to design and still rap too. Yeah, so guy, please go YouTube if you really wanna learn a thing or two. Cause this my rap for enough to guide you, but I just wanted to spark something inside you. But let's be guided, I'm still gifted with bars. Show talent to you ball and it's deeper than rap. Your favorite rapper still debating who's the greatest alive. I knock MCs out of the crap when I'm serving your rap. Now hold up, wait. Let's get back to the class for some more details. We had shadows back to back, and with the brush too, all we have to do is dab, bam, 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 and it's a rap. Yeah, it's a rap for real, yo. I don't tire, but this was fun. Yay! Let's go. That's it. Woo! You know.